Are you ready to dive into the world of endless music? Today, I'm going to show you how to install Spotify on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Spotify or just switching devices, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Installing Spotify on your iPhone is super easy. Just follow these steps. Open the App Store on your iPhone. The App Store icon looks like a blue square with a white A on it. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Spotify and hit search. Look for the app titled Spotify, Music and Podcasts with a green and black logo. Tap the Get button next to the Spotify app. If prompted, confirm the download using your Apple ID, Face ID, or Touch ID. Wait for the app to download and install. Once it's done, the Get button will change to an Open button. Tap Open to launch Spotify. Now that Spotify is installed, let's set up your account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If not, tap Sign Up and follow the prompts to create a new account. And there you have it, a complete guide to installing Spotify on your iPhone. Now you can enjoy your favorite songs, podcasts, and playlists anytime, anywhere. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Got a favorite Spotify playlist? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to check it out. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.